Ozarks First.
Good morning and thanks for joining us on this Monday. I wanted to start us off looking at some of the fall color that's finally starting to pop across the Ozarks. Some beautiful reds spotted by our very own Lauren Barnes in Springfield. Got some pretty yellows around Douglas County. Brandon Kerr sent in that picture. And then some orange are popping in Branson as well. So finally, slowly but surely, we're starting to see some of this color come through. It's still a little bit patchy around most of the Ozarks. More of that color in Springfield and areas to the north. Branson and Harrison seeing some of that patchy color as well. Here's a look at the map of what that fall color looks like now. For the most part, southwest Missouri seeing some partial coverage, a little bit patchier to the south still. We're looking at that peak headed or near peak within the next week or two. We haven't really had the best weather conditions for the fall color because we had a September that was way too hot and an October that was way too wet. So what we need is the chilly nights and the mild sunny days. Not a lot of wind and that light first frost. So that's put that peak a little bit later this year, but we're starting to see more of that color come through. We've got some seasonal temperatures out there this morning. It's 41 degrees in Springfield, with mostly clear skies and southerly winds. It's 37 degrees in Branson, 43 in Ava, and 45 in Fort Leonard Wood. Winds are out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and we're keeping southerly winds ahead of a front that's up to the north and west. These southerly winds will hold tight for at least the first half of the day, and then that front will come through, switch winds to the north by this afternoon, but we don't really have a colder air mass behind that front. We're pretty mild ahead of the front and behind the front as well. So we'll still keep temperatures up around 60 degrees. We'll have that front bring an increase in clouds, or partly to mostly cloudy by the end of the day, but we don't really squeeze out rain until later on this evening in the overnight. We'll start to get more of a punch along this front by tonight. A couple of showers possible. The rain should be pretty light and spotty and quick. It exits by tomorrow morning with clearing skies and temperatures in the upper 30s. Lots of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures still cool at 58 degrees with the sunshine that is still below average. The next big storm is off of the Pacific coast, and that gets here late Wednesday into Thursday. I think we spend most Wednesday dry. We'll start to see some showers break out late, and then Thursday that front stalls, and that's going to set up a pretty wet day with some locally heavy rain possible, pretty similar to the last couple of systems where it just sits all day and we keep that moderate rain through the afternoon, and then it clears going into Thursday night and then into Friday morning. With that steady rain again, we could be looking at a limited flood threat because we're coming off of one of the top 10 wettest Octobers, so a lot of the ground is pretty saturated with another 1 to 2 inches possible, especially in this yellow area in the limited conditions. We could be looking at a limited flood threat. So again, we're expecting a dry but cloudy Wednesday. Showers arrive late. A cold rain on Thursday keeps temperatures in the 40s. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. That brings us a localized flooding concern. That cold air for now looks like it arrives too late for a mix to snow. Looks like the rain is over and then the cold air gets here. Temperatures drop into the 20s by Friday morning. Again, we'll have to watch that timing to see if we can get in on any snowflakes before the whole thing exits. 60 degrees today, an increase in clouds and mild. 37 overnight with a couple of showers possible. 58 degrees tomorrow. Some cool sunshine on easterly winds. We keep clouds again on Wednesday, 61 degrees there. A cold rain on Thursday.